The weather today dominated by a lot of cloud, as it has been for much of this week. Grey skies loom outside, and yet again this scene at Aberdeen is very familiar for many people, grey and gloomy with drizzle. Today it is set to be a mild day yet again because of some strong southerly winds. And with the winds at the moment comes our band of rain. It's pushing into southwest England and Wales as we speak, just edging into Northern Ireland as well. And through the coming hours, it will sweep its way eastwards, right along this band of rain through western areas. A windy day to come, the risk of gales as we head through the afternoon. With some shelter though, northwestern areas of Scotland faring pretty nicely today with sunshine, but still for eastern Scotland and right down this east coast of England, these breezy conditions will gather yet more clouds, and it stays fairly grey, damp and drizzly through much of the afternoon. A mild day to come for most towns and cities, highs up to 15 in London. Perhaps a few breaks developing through southern counties of England, but for most it stays cloudy. For western Cornwall through the coming hours, we will slowly see things brightening up, but for much of Devon, Somerset and for the bulk of Wales, it is set to be a wet afternoon. Wet and windy. Heavy rain slowly eases from Northern Ireland this afternoon, staying windy throughout. The chance in the west of seeing some late brightness. But for much of Wales into northwest England and western Scotland this evening, it turns pretty wet, staying fairly windy throughout as well. Overnight, the whole band of rain pushes eastwards. It will slowly start to ease, but it stays cloudy, it stays misty and it stays murky overnight. And yet again, it will be mild. As we head through to the weekend, all change. It's looking a lot drier and the promise of seeing much more in the way of sunshine. First thing Saturday, a cloudy, misty, foggy start yet again. The legacy of today's weather front sits through eastern England, and here it's set to stay fairly cloudy through the day with some outbreaks of rain. But away from this, it does look as though it's going to be a dry day, a brighter day, and with much lighter winds. 12 to 16 degrees on Saturday should feel very nice indeed. And for Remembrance Sunday, it is likely to be a misty, foggy start to the day. Slowly but surely it turns drier and brighter, and with some sunshine again and light winds, highs of 14 to 16 degrees. So the outlook is looking drier and brighter. Back to Matthew and Sue in the studio.